Hello everyone and welcome back to another tutorial from Tech Channel. In today's video, we will be showing you how to access your block list on Facebook. If you have blocked any user from your Facebook account, then their account will be listed underneath your blocked account section. In order to access your blocked accounts menu, first of all, open up your web browser and then in the address bar, type in facebook.com and press enter. Log in to your account if necessary by using your email address or your phone number and your password. After you are logged into your account, click on your account icon at the top right corner. Now click on the Settings and Privacy button and then click on Settings. You will be taken into the Settings page. Now from the list of menus on the left, click on Blocking. In this page, underneath the Block Users section, you will be able to find your blocked users list. You can also search for users from the Blocked Users box by typing in their name and then clicking on the Block button. In order to unblock other accounts that you have blocked in the past, click on the Unblock button alongside their name. You will be asked if you are sure that you want to unblock this user. Click on the Confirm button and the user will be unblocked. You will still need to send a friend request in order to be friends with this user again though. So that is how you can access your blocked list on your Facebook account. That's all for this video. And if you like our content, make sure you give it a thumbs up. Don't forget to hit the subscribe button and hit the notification bell as well in order to be notified whenever we post a new video. Thank you for watching.